Alright, so today we are wrapping a blue Ram TRX 2022 in Christmas lights. Stay tuned to see how it turned out. The hood, how's progress going?
Progress is going great.
Now 4 hours later, looking at the finished product. A little glaring from the sunlight, but every aspect of the truck works, including opening hood, doors, tailgate, and even the gas door. This turned out way better than we could have expected. Like when I tell you, everything works just like it should. Yes, it does not look the prettiest, but this thing will definitely be an eye catcher in the night. Now looking at the finished product, what do you think it turned out like?
It looks great.
Great? Let's see. Oh man, this is really sharp. Just 2,500 lights and a Ram TRX. Oh, and a lot of blue tape to match the truck's color. All right, what do you think of this build?
That shit is wild. Wicked. Time, effort. That's holiday season right there, man. We just need some fucking snow now.
Exactly.
Oh, yeah.
Maybe a pine tree on top as well. We're thinking about that too.
Oh yeah, bro. Get some mistletoe on there too for the honeys.
Exactly.
Exactly.
All right, thanks for the feedback.